Hello everyone, welcome to CHEM NET. Let us take a quick look on the imine formation reaction. Here we have two reactants, one is aldehyde, one is amine in the presence of a weak acid. First we have to analyze the homo-LUMO interactions between these moieties. Any organic reaction go through the homo-LUMO interactions, which is favorable by either kinetically or thermodynamic control. So in here we have two homo orbitals, highest occupied molecular orbital for amine lone pair and carbonyl lone pair. These two can interact with the LUMO of sigma star of this weak acid because it is not completely dissociated. The carbonyl will have a higher energy due to the pi interaction with the lone pair, so this homo will interact with the LUMO and then abstract the proton from the weak acid. After the protonation, the electron activity difference will be higher. Thus, the pi star of this carbon will go further in low energy, which can be easily covered by the lone pair, a low energy lone pair of amine. So this gap will be much lesser now after protonation, and it can easily interact with the LUMO of pi star of this carbon. With this, the reaction proceeds to this part, and hydrogen proton of this weak acid is provided to this oxygen. Thus it can take back this proton because here also the electron activity difference is much higher now due to the positive charge on nitrogen. It can abstract this hydrogen by donating its lone pair into the sigma star of this hydrogen. Further, from here again weak acid is generated into the solution, and it can protonate either nitrogen lone pairs and oxygen lone pairs. If the nitrogen lone pairs, being in higher energy due to less electron activity, gets protonated, then the reaction will go backward. That's why we will keep a higher concentration of amine to shift the equilibrium in the forward direction, and we will avoid the protonation of this high energy nitrogen lone pair, and this oxygen lone pairs which get protonated according to Le-Chatelier principle, and then the positive charge on the oxygen will create a more electron activity difference, and it's a sigma star. Oxygen carbon sigma star will get electron from nitrogen and leads to this product here, and the proton here, the only proton available here, will be abstracted back by the conjugate base, and we'll get our imine formation. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that I can come up with more videos for you. Thank you so much.